Hello everyone, Arash Jafarzadeh here. This video is going to show you how to install Visual Studio Code on your computer. This video is going to start off with the instructions for installing it for a Windows laptop. That's what I'm using. If you go to this website, it'll also give you the options to install it for a Mac. So just go through those steps to get it installed. And then we're going to go over the settings in this video on what you want to set up and what you need to install. So let's start with installation. Whether you're a Mac or a PC user, Windows user, go to the website code.visualstudio.com. It should automatically detect what you're using, but if it doesn't, you can just click this little drop down and choose the version you need to use. So you're either going to be using Windows 64 or Mac OS. Don't use the Insiders one. You'll either use Stable for whichever operating system you're using. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and click download, and it will take us to this get started page, and then it should download the installation file. So again, I'm on Windows. I'm just going to go ahead and run that file and accept the terms. Click next. Leave it in the default directory. Click next. Give it the default name. You can create a desktop icon if you'd like. I'm going to leave these as the default values. Click next and install. So once it's done, I'll give it a second here. We are going to go ahead and launch Visual Studio Code. So I can click finish. It's also in my start menu now, as you can see here. I have already installed this, so you can see that I have some files that are appearing for me. For you, you will not see this, so you can ignore that. So yours might look something like this. It might walk you through a tutorial. Just kind of click through the tutorial. I was hoping it would show us the settings here, but it didn't. So I'll give you some tips as you're going through the little settings. I would suggest setting it up so that you have dark mode. I like that a lot. Everything else you can just leave it as default. No need to change anything there. On the left side, we have this button called extensions, and you can see I've already installed 2 extensions, which you're going to need as well. So all you do is just go here and do a search. You're going to type in JavaScript. And when you look for JavaScript, you should see the same JavaScript I have here, JavaScript ES6 code snippets. You're going to click that one and install that one. It should show up over here as install. And then the other one you're going to need is the HTML CSS snippet, which is, let me find it here. Go back. HTML CSS support, this one. So you want to find that one as well. So HTML CSS support. This one, you're going to want to install that as well. It's pretty popular and seems to be a good one to use. So I would install those 2, and I think that is all you're going to need. Once you've done that, you're ready to go with our first lessons, and we'll go over how to use this tool in the next video.